Hi guys, I'm gonna make a Cambodian fish soup. It's really yummy. You need to try this. So first, we're gonna put our lemongrass and ginger. There. And our onion. Please guys, subscribe my channel. It's Serena Miller. Please support my vlog. Please, please, please. Maawan mo kayo sa akin. So, we're gonna put the fish. So this fish is fresh from the farm. Joke lang. It's from the wild. And my husband did cut this. And my cousin. It's big mouth bass fish. They cut it in Lemoore, California. If we're going fishing there, I'm gonna make a vlog, but for now I can't because I have a toddler, you know. So we're just gonna set it for a while and then I forgot to put the it's lemon leaves. So I only I had, it's supposed to be like lime, but I had only lemon outside and I just steal it. There. So there, it's simmering. In English sa bukal kay simmering. Simmering, No, it's not simmering, it's boiling. Buguag gidoy. Right? No, I think simmering and boiling are the same. Let's just sit there for a while, and we're gonna add our eggplant because eggplant is hard. I want my eggplant very soft. There. So we're gonna add our this looks yummy. Wow, syrup. Very yummy. We're gonna add our sugar. Mix it really good. Here's the sugar. And again, the fish sauce to make it taste like fish. Right? Just a little bit. And then we're gonna add our nor to taste like, so to make it taste like chicken. I need more of this. I'm out. There. And salt. It's not onion salt because I'm out of onion salt, so I did put salt here. Shh. Here is the salt. Now we can add our cabbage. I like it when there's lots of greens. to make you healthy, you know, healthy living. So here, I think it's done. It looks really yummy. So guys, you need to try this. And please subscribe my channel. Here. My channel in my YouTube is Serena Miller. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till my next vlog. It really looks yum and I'm so hungry right now. Bye. See you. So here is my food. It looks yummy with rice and a bit of greens and fish.